we're going to be doing some board games of Legos, and he's gonna open that. Legos.
How does it record?
It's recording. Okay, so just open this one.
What?
Okay. Legos.
Yes, we're gonna throw it.
We're probably not gonna finish.
Yeah, we can finish it tomorrow too.
Yeah.
Again, we're not going about to finish because this is like
Okay.
100.
Okay, so far we've done this.
Oh, you guys, this is the directions.
Let me see.
Ah,
Let me see.
you have a direction too. Look, it's right here.
These are stickers.
No,
Wait, let me see.
yep, there are.
Okay,
Yes,
so-
we've been there.
Okay, so what should we start with? What is this? Okay, okay. Legos. Ooh.
She's cray.
Okay, so we're gonna open it.
No, I'm gonna put it.
Okay, be careful not to mix them. Because if you mix them now, we don't know. I think those are.
And these stickers are gonna be last when we finish it.
Okay.
Right?
Legos.
Hey, don't broke that.
No.
There.
Okay. Oh, okay. So this. Legos.
Sorry, Vanessa.
Okay, you can stop it. Let me see.
Don't be here.
Yeah, don't mix them.
Ooh.
There's some heads in
Yeah.
here.
And there's a hat. Ooh.
Okay, switch places. I'm gonna try to build these.
You
You try to build those. Get the instructions. No, not those. Looking in here.
Direction 1. Where's the correction?
Ugh, it keeps on closing. What's wrong with this?
Oh, I know. Now what?
Let me see.
Oh wait, Vanessa.
Now you're gonna connect these right
I
here,
think
like
mommy
this.
called me.
Eyes, they're right here.
Uh-huh.
Now you're gonna connect them. You see this?
Yep, I know.
Put it right there. So build it, and then connect all the flowers in it, or
Okay.
these thingies. Green with green, blue with blue. Okay, I'm gonna build
Is there no more?
something.
Because there's only 2.
There's 3.
No?
Yeah, 3 green ones. How to build the little mans. So let's get started. Giovanni built this. Good job, Giovanni. He's building the green one now. Here's the other green thingy. And I'm trying to find the human's legs, these, but I cannot find them. No! It's hard.
This is too hard for me, but oh wait, I got it now.
It's hard to build with one hand, so.
Yeah.
It is hard to build with one hand. So I'm gonna move these and
Get it?